So let's say that I knew the following information. The limit as x approaches 2 for the function f of x is equal to 5. The limit as x approaches 2 for g of x is equal to negative 2. And f of 2 is equal to 3. And finally, g of 2 is equal to negative 6. So these are the four things that I know. Now, why did I write these four things out? Well, I wrote these four things out because I'll need them for solving this limit problem. So what's the problem? This is the problem. The limit as x approaches 2 for f of x times g of x plus 3. So how would I solve this? So essentially what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be using the limit laws to split this up into individual limits. So let's do that. So I'm going to first use the following limit law. So the limit as x approaches 2, so this is going to be equal to the limit as x approaches 2 for f of x times the limit as x approaches 2 for g of x plus the limit as x approaches 2 for just 3. So what I did was I essentially, if you think about it, I just distributed this, right? So this was distributed to all three parts right here. So what is this going to be equal to? Well, the limit as x approaches 2 for f of x. This is exactly given to us right over there, right? So that's just going to be equal to 5. We can just say that this is equal to 5. So this is going to be 5 times the limit as x approaches 2 for g of x. This is equal to this, right? We got a value there, so that's negative 2. So that's just going to be negative 2. So all of this, and then plus the limit as x approaches 2 for this 3. Well, this is not given here, but we don't need it to be given here because this is just equal to 3. Now, what is given here is just things that we don't know, but we need. Because, for example, if we had the limit as x approaches 2 for f of x right here, and we weren't given this information, we don't know what it would be because we don't know what f of x is. So f of x is just this function that we don't know, but we do know the limit as x approaches 2 of f of x, and that's all we need for this problem. So let's simplify this. So this is going to be equal to 5 times negative 2, which is negative 10, plus 3. So negative 10 plus 3 is going to be equal to negative 7. So this, right over there, this is my limit. So this was part 1 of the 2 videos that are going to have this kind of format for solving limit problems. So I hope you found this video helpful.